Welcome to my YouTube channel Zaib Home and Beauty. I hope you like my previous videos. Thanks for support. Today our topic about lychee fruit. Now let's start the video. Lychee fruit has many health benefits. Consuming lychee is good for your heart, liver, and brain health. It is also effective against diseases like diabetes, cancer, and obesity. Its antioxidant activity can protect from free radical damage. People also ask some questions about lychee fruit. Here are answers to some questions. 1. How many lychees should I eat a day? The answer is, eating 10 to 12 lychees a day can be good for your body. 2. What is the best time to eat lychee? It can be considered safe as it does not require any insulin for metabolism. It can be consumed in the morning or as a midday snack, as the body would break the carbs in it to produce energy. 3. Is lychee high in sugar? Eating about 10 lychees, or 100 grams, will give you 66 calories and 15 grams of sugar. The sugar in fruits doesn't have the same negative effects on your body as the sugar in processed foods. 4. Is lychee cold for body? A juicy tropical fruit from the soapberry family, lychee acts as a precursor to the arrival of summer. The fruit is a good source of several vitamins, minerals, and healthy antioxidants, and besides being sweet and nutritious, these berries bring cooling effect on your body to beat the scorching summer heat. 5. Is lychee good for skin? A study published in the Natural Medicine Journal has shown that oligonol present in lychee is not only a potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent, it also improves blood circulation in the skin. This ensures that your skin remains healthy and heals wounds faster. 6. Is lychee hot or cool? However, not all vegetables are cooling. Many are neutral, and a few fruits, such as lychee, longan, and durian, are considered to be heating. 7. Which vitamin is in lychee? Lychees contain several healthy minerals, vitamins, and antioxidants, such as potassium, copper, vitamin C, epicatechin, and rutin. These may help protect against heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. 8. Is lychee good for weight loss? Lychee is a good source of dietary fiber and is excellent for weight loss. 9. Is lychee juice good in summer? Lychee juice is often enjoyed chilled, making it a popular choice to beat the heat during hot weather. 10. Does lychee increase hemoglobin? The high iron content in lychees is beneficial for the hemoglobin levels in the body, thereby preventing anemia. For more informative video, like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel Zaib Home and Beauty.